like pom pom pom. Roll back then rotation, figure it's in just season. Shine bright, it's the season.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Sweet Angel over here on Sugar Fingers. Has it not been a minute? It has been, but I have been doing my nails. As you can see, I've actually been using more press-ons than ever because time constraints and all of that was going on in my life at the moment. So I'm back to the usual me right about now, but I got a lot of grinding to do. So y'all, right about now, I'm getting ready to remove these falsies here, but I forgot to, and I don't know if I recorded it or not. These were some super long false nails, and I couldn't last long with them at all, so I did chop them half in two. And now today I'm getting ready to show y'all something that's very interesting. I've got to put y'all on to the easiest and best overlay I have come across ever. Now, I don't even know if this ever been done or not, but if you stick and stay to the end, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, okay? But I've got to get through taking care of these nails and getting these little press-ons off without damaging my nails. So that's what I'm doing right now. Of course, I'm using my nice little Kiss press-on glue nail remover here. I gotta use it. So as per usual, I will have everything linked in the description box for you. I'll even try to dig up these nails so y'all can see what they genuinely look like before I cut them off. And we're gonna go ahead and take these suckers off, and they were on there pretty good. I tell you what, a few of them did pop off, maybe one or two when I initially did them, but once I did that next layer of the glue, yeah, they were on there. And that's what kind of brought me to today. I have been struggling with my nails being a little bit more thinner than usual when they grow out, and they of course grow out pretty well. As you can see by the thumbnail on the right hand and my other nails, they're growing, but they're just a little bit more thinner than normal. And that has been the reason why I wanted to just put the press-ons on top of my nails, because of the fact I needed that extra, stability. I didn't want my nails to be, chipping and breaking and all of that with just having gel polish on them. And I wasn't really ready to go through the process of dealing with the gel polish and taking it off. As you can see, my nail is pretty weak, but I did on my right hand, on my pointing finger, I did do this application a few days ago, and I wanted to see if this was going to help my nail be more stable. And beautiful babes, yes, indeed, this has been an amazing experience. It's been working for me. I'm going to go ahead and, buff off my nails and get all of that extra glue off right now and make them smooth and clean. So I'm going to speed through that process so that we don't have to be here all day. I know y'all love me, but I know you don't want to be here all day. And, we're going to get this done. So I don't want no complainers down in the comments, because I know this is my show, and I like to do my show like I like to do my show, but they want me to do my show like they want me to do my show, and that ain't how the show goes. So, they be telling me I be talking too much, get to the point. But, there is a fast forward button on everybody's phone and computer, so feel free to speed on up. But anyway, we ain't gonna talk no more about that. Let's get to speeding this up. So I'm real big into making sure everything remains sanitized. So I use the little spray bottle with my alcohol in there. So that's the way I help to keep things sanitized, and me doing my cuticles and getting my utensils sanitized. That's what I'm doing there. So I get questions all the time. Yes, my nails do grow pretty rapidly. However, I do take, several forms of biotin or different supplements for biotin from various brands periodically. However, sometimes with my nails, for the most part, it's natural. They just grow. Now we're about to get into the good stuff. This nail right here, if you can see right now, this nail has grown quite a bit and it's nice and strong because of the fact that I have an overlay of nail glue on it. Yes, the brush on nail glue by McCart. That is what I have been using for the last couple of days on this nail, or that's what I used a couple of days ago on this nail. And so today, that's exactly what I'm getting ready to do, is apply my nail glue from McCart on all of my nails. And this is what I'm going to be rocking for a minute until it otherwise let me down or I otherwise decide to change up. And I will keep you posted on the progress and this process in between time. And in the meantime, y'all, I have been loving this, and I'm going to go ahead and speed up through putting this on all of my nails right now so that we can get to the end. But you know, I had to test it out before I brought it to the channel to see, was it going to work for me? Because, you know, a lot of times you have these harebrained ideas and they don't work. But I just noticed how sturdy, if there's any glue left on my nail, how much more sturdier those were than, you know, if it didn't have it on there. But I didn't want to just use it under my press-ons. I want to just kind of give my nails an opportunity to not have that cover up on there. I want them to be able to get a little light to them. So this is what I thought about doing instead of doing, you know, like harsh acrylics or just gel, which for me, gel doesn't always hold up. And I was thinking I needed to get a fan for my nails, which I have one somewhere, but I went ahead, as you saw, that little fan popped up. I ordered one in this video while I was doing this video. So back to the process, I actually ended up putting about 3 coats of the nail glue on my nails, and then the next step I did was to apply a clear coat of polish, which I'll show you that in a moment. But overall, it was 3 coats. And of course, I had to let them dry. It took a little minute before the end. You know, I went through the process slowly, but of course, I'm speeding it up here so that you all can check out the entire process. I must admit, I've kind of missed coming on here with my nail videos, and I hope y'all really do enjoy it today. Again, something new, something with a little different twist to it, a nail hack that more than likely you are going to love, because right now, like I said, that nail on my right hand has held up for a couple of days, so it's all good. So right about now, y'all, I think I have all of the glue on for the most part. This is going to set, and again, it's the McCart nail glue. It will be in the description box. I have truly embarked on something amazing. I feel it's going to work out marvelously for me, so I'm super excited about that. And I've allowed it to dry a little bit, so in case you think I'm going a little bit fast, I'm not. So I'm back to my favorite top coat here. This is a quick dry top coat from Mia's Secret. I'm hoping they still have this available on Amazon. I will have it listed below for you. Now, this is just a regular nail polish. It's a fast dry nail polish, so it only takes less than 60 seconds and it is dry. Again, this is a huge bottle of it, so I've had it for a minute. I'm thinking probably I'm going on 2 years. I don't know. It has to be about 2 years because I really haven't used this in a regular daily kind of or weekly kind of nail change in a long time. Also, I'm going to be using this white nail polish. This one is from Wet n Wild. Well, it's not from Wet n Wild. It's Wet n Wild brand, but I ordered it from Amazon. And I changed my mind about putting the actual clear first. I went ahead and decided to go ahead and use the Wet n Wild and decided to try to do me some French tips or something like that. It's going to look kind of rough, but I just wanted, again, that extra stability on those tips because the tips of my nails can go through a lot. Y'all know I keep my hands in water all the time or doing different treatments, mixing up things, and just being a human. You know, you're going to use your hands a lot. So we're going to go ahead and get this done. I'll speed up this process right here in case you just want to check it out a little bit. You can slow the video down on your own, but I'm going to speed it up a little bit so I can get through getting this done because we're already at about 10 minutes, okay? And this French tip, okay, let me talk right, would have been a lot cuter had I not been rushing through it. I was really just trying to get through the process. But overall, I mean, I don't mind it. It's okay. It's fine. But again, I just wanted to put that extra stability on there and really have my nails looking like, you know, I did try to do something with them other than just the clear on there. So that's where I'm at with it right now. So that process pretty much is done with, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to reveal the full nails after I apply the top coat. So that'll be the final step to this entire thing, and we'll get that done and y'all will see what the nails are looking like. And this top coat, I promise y'all, Mia's Secrets top coat is definitely a fast dry. These both dried pretty fast, so I was able to really get through my nails. You know, I love gel polish because, you know, quite naturally when you're curing those nails, it's like seconds and a few seconds and you're done. But this is, again, an easier way for me to get my nails done without having to have anything on there that's so hugely harsh to get, you know, the nail polish off. So now you see the final. This is the final reveal, and that top coat, shiny, nice, perfect. Love it so much. And this is it, y'all. I hope you love the way, well, I don't know if you love the way the nails look, but love the idea of using the glue, the top coat, and if you want to do the French thing, you could, or you can just simply polish your nails completely, which again, I think this actually is going to let my nail polish stay on longer. So I'm cool with it. I hope you are too. This is it, y'all. Thanks so much for coming to hang out with your girl, Sweet Angel, over here on Sugar Fingers. I'll see y'all on the next one. And I haven't said this in so long, but remember to always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Toodles.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow.